Hi friends, this is Parmesh Malwand, HR professional, mentor and tutor. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is we born to shine. This topic is very important. Please watch this video until ending. If you are very much interested, then like, share and subscribe and comment. So many people are knowing how to like, how to share, how to subscribe and how to comment, but some people are not knowing how to like, share, subscribe and comment. For them I would like to tell some important things. Please you can listen and watch. Friends, if you want to like, subscribe and comment in YouTube channel, compulsory you need to become a member of YouTube channel. Means you have to create your account. For creating YouTube account, you should have one email ID. For that email ID you can create first either Gmail or Yahoo, whatever that is you are interested. After creating email ID, you will get through that email ID you can sign in. Means you can create YouTube account, then after that you can sign in. You can watch whichever topic videos you want. You can if you are very much interested in particular video, you can write comment, you can like, share, subscribe, whatever. Okay, but some people ask me where is the comment option in YouTube. I'll tell you, friends. If you are watching YouTube videos in mobile, suppose if you are watching current video, downside the 16 videos you have to cross. Full down you will be there. You can scroll down, you will be getting comment option, you can write there. But if you are watching a YouTube video in a laptop or computer, immediately downside the current video only you can find comment. Okay, this is the thing. This doubt is cleared already. Okay, so like means what, share means what, subscribe means what, I will tell you. Comment also, what is the meaning? Like means, suppose if you are very much interested, you can like. Suppose if you share, what is share? Share means refer. Suppose if you are very much interested for this video, if you want to share or refer to your friends or colleagues or relatives, you can share to this link to anyone. Subscribe means what? Subscribe in the sense, suppose if you are watching a particular channel and you want to watch continuously all videos, whichever videos the channel is uploading, you can click subscribe only one time. That is the downside the video, right side red color you can see subscribe. If you are clicking one time, that's it. Not necessary to click every time, only one time. If you want to subscribe any one channel, for each channel you have to click one time. If you are clicking again and again, you will become unsubscriber. Okay, that's it. And comment means whatever, if you want to say something to that channel person. Okay, so if whatever your wish to say something, you can write in the comment. That's the comment. So this information I shared. Now let me go through my today's topic. Before that I want to tell one more thing also. Friends, basically I am teaching English grammar, spoken English, motivational talk in 3 languages. Okay, English, Hindi and Kannada, whichever languages. If you are interested, you can watch and you can enjoy. So, and for those things also you can go through playlist. In the playlist I made separate folder. In that particular language you can click, you will be getting many videos. Now let's go for main topic. Topic is we born to shine. True, God has given each and every person in this world to shine. Okay, God doesn't make difference between X person, Y person or Z person. Okay, He has given equal opportunity to each and every person. How to grow in this world is up to us. Okay, up to you. We should not blame to anyone. Either our parents will be rich or poor or medium, whatever. Their responsibility, what was there, how much they understood, according to that, they grown, and now remaining is in our hand. So without doing any work, if you are expecting, I want that, I want this, I want to become rich, I want to become I want a car, I want bike, I want building, I want house, all those things everybody will be having expectation. But for achieving those things, what are the things we need to do? I want to be happy. Huh? Everything everybody will expect. But the thing is, so many struggles we have to face. So many happiness moment will come. So many sad moment will come. All those things we have to bear. We have to face those problems. We should not worry always. Suppose if something happens, okay, on that moment suddenly you will be in sad. Okay, take some time and overcome from that sadness to um, good mood. Then you try to become happiness mode. Okay, only if you are thinking worriness, I am poor, I am lazy, I don't have knowledge, I don't have that skill, I don't have this skill. If you are thinking always, what will happen? Every day you will lose your confidence, you will lose your courage. So many things you will lose, you will not do anything. So, for overcoming from darkness to brightness, darkness to shyness, what you need to do, I'll tell you. Friends, in this world, so many things will attract surrounding you. Okay? For becoming worst, for becoming a bad person in this world, you can become as soon as possible. But if you want to become good person, it takes time. If you want to become intelligent person, it takes time. So many things are there step by step. You will not become successful, you will not become intelligent, you will not become rich in a within a one day, within a second, within a 1 hour. Everything is for becoming a good thing, it will take step by step process. Those things you can follow. Surrounding your neighbors will be there, so many things. Which are the good people are there, you can take the advice from them, and day by day you can grow, put effort. If you want to become intelligent in study, what are the things you need to do, you can do. You can take the help from your teacher. So many teachers will tell, but students will not listen. If you want to be successful, if you want to do something, students should go to the teacher place and you have to ask him, sir, what I need to do for becoming this, becoming that. Then he will tell you what are the things you need to do. Then you will start step by step, you will become perfect. So God has given opportunity to become shine everyone, but how you are going to utilize, you take your decision. In this world, everything is there. Only the thing is, you have to utilize the resources. You should overcome from problems to brightness. Okay, if you want to achieve something, you can do something. If you want to become engineer, if you want to become doctor, if you want to become a good business person, if you want to become a good famous farmer, whatever field, each and everything, okay, we have opportunity. Think thoroughly, and to for becoming a successful, what are the need I need to do. Suppose, friends, please take very challenging responsibility from childhood to up to 21 and 23 or 25 years, up to 25 years. Think in a very good way. Okay, do you want long term happiness or do you want short term happiness? Between teenage to up to 25 years, so many things attract. You should be very careful. If you are attracting suddenly those things, your life will be spoiled as soon as possible. Which other things are good? Try to think, try to do good things. Don't give chance to do bad things. Okay, only the thing is I would like to tell you, for if you want to become shine, just follow good things and try to do day by day, work hard work, whichever field if you want. Okay, without doing hard work, without putting effort, just don't expect result. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this topic. So if you are very much interested this video, you can like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in next video. Until then, Take care. Goodbye.